Alright, this is the clapping and stomping practice video for Fa La La La. We'll skip over all of the glorious parts because those don't have any clapping or stomping in them. So we'll do that speaking the words in rhythm and performing the clapping and stomping patterns, and then in a separate video just performing them while singing regularly. So we have those couple claps at the beginning, 2 of them before we even start with words. So we'll start there. Here we go. Clap, rest, clap, rest. I feel like fa la la la. I feel like tooraloo. I feel like lule lule. I feel like foom foom foom. Pata pata pan. Joy, 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 joy. Pata pata pan. Joy, joy, joy. Pata pata pan. Joy, 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 joy. Pata pata pan. Joy, joy, joy. So we will go back and repeat that, but we don't need to do that for this video. I'm going to skip ahead to page 7, where we add our new pattern. So that one goes like this. I feel like fa la la la. I feel like fa la la la. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the page here. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. La. Fa la la la. Fa la 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 la. Fa la la la.